everybody, so we're here in the lab for our lab activity. So we have this, you know,
our human
we have
force model.
you know, this is my boyfriend, and that is my, I don't know who is he.
And Jenny's boyfriend will help us and provide some information for our practical exam.
Yes, because, and also her, you know, we shouldn't forget her. Because siya talaga yung pagpa-practicean namin. Babalikan ko tong video kapag nag-practical exam na kami. Isi-stitch ko, charis. Duga YouTube. Duga TikTok eh. So, that's the heart. Bebe. Okay guys, so this is the thyroid.
The windpipe is here.
Oh yes, the trachea. A trachea.
Trachea, go. Trachea.
Okay. So this is the lungs.
Yes. It has bronchioles and alveoli.
It is, oh my gosh, the brain. So this is the spleen. Sakto, spleen.
Yes.
And this is the kidney.
Yeah.
And this is the adrenal gland.
Yeah.
Yes, amazing. He's destroying my boyfriend. Look at her heart.
Oh,
He
no,
stole
we
her
opened
heart.
the heart.
He stole my boyfriend's heart. I can't. I'm broken. I'm heartbroken.
This is the superior vena cava and
Oh.
the inferior vena cava. Nasa to ka
Oh, I'm here. Oh, yeah. Same star.
Ano guro ng 8? Basta. Ventricle.
Hindi na ko tayo. Di ba, balito ko na ko kung artery. Largest artery na mga ano. Ba't gani nga nagamo na naman niya? So, ayun guys, we're waiting for our microscope.
Ano
Our
sa
microscope.
Hyalin your fibers. Hyalin.
Ano na gani? Sternum niyo yung sa diri ng piyo.
Kaling sternum din.
Ay, mga sternum nila. Ayaw gali. Ayaw gali. Clavicle na kuno guys. So, this one stand. Sternum.
The other
Rib cage siya gali guys.
the other four rib cage are the false rib cage na sila.
False man?
Kaya pwede mo na sila makuha.
Ay, oo. Gag-grow lang na siya.
Amo nang iban nga gamay-gamay din nila. Kaya ginakuha din nila.
Ay, oo. Damo ko namin nakita. Amazing. So, that's amazing. So, we're gonna label my other friend. Yes. Siyang siya boyfriend, siya friend. So, ama siyang lungs. Listen, heart? Liver? Ng stomach. Ng ano gani? Small. Lagpataw. Large ni? Large, small. Kung i-open mo pag-head, makibot kagid. Joke lang, di naatakaan sa inyo. Char lang. Ano yung thyroid do? Thyroid. You know, less topic ni naman sa una eh. Less ako na rate ng, basta sa 3, may alveoli na thyroid. Pero kung hindi exactly, kilo